A line passes through 2 points, 0, 4 and 2, 1. A line passes through 2 points, 0, 4, x equals 0, y equals 4, and x equals 2, y equals 1. What is the slope? Rise over run. What is the y-intercept? Where does the graph touch the y-axis? What is the equation of the line? Plot the line. And what is the x-intercept? Where does the graph touch the x-axis? Let's make 0, 4, x1, y1 and 2, 1, x2, y2. So x1 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 0, y1 equals 4. y1 has to be 4. How about x2? 2. x2 is 2 and y2 is equal to 1. So what is delta x? Delta x is x2 minus x1. x2 is 2. x1 is 0. x1 is 0. So what is 2 minus 0? 2. How about delta y? Change in y is y2 minus y1. y2 is 1. So y2 is 1. How about y1? It's 4. So what is y2 minus y1? 1 minus 4, and that is negative 3. Negative 3. So what is the slope of the line? Change in y, delta y, over change in x, delta x. What is change in y? Negative 3. What is change in x? 2. So what is our slope? Our slope is negative 3 over 2. Part A is complete. Let's move on to part B. What is the y-intercept? Y-intercept means what? Where does the graph touch the y-axis? What do we know about y-axis? On the y-axis, x is always equal to 0. On the y-axis, x is always equal to 0. We are already given the point when x is equal to 0, we have y equal to 4. So that is our y-intercept. On the y-axis, x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what do we have? 0, 4. So what is our y-intercept? 4. All right. Part B is complete now. Part C. We have the 2 points. Now we already know what the slope is. All right. So y is equal to mx plus b. And if that is true, then y1 should be equal to mx1 plus b. So y2 is equal to mx2 plus b. So we have x1, y1, we have x2, y2. So you either use this to solve for b or use this to solve for b. Either way, you get the same b. All right. But we have something even better. When x is equal to 0, we are told that y is equal to 4. So immediately we see that b is equal to 4. So we know b and we know the slope. Substitute m is negative 3 over 2. Leave x as it is. And then b, what is b? 4. So that is our equation of the line. So that's also complete. Now let's plot the points 0, 4 and 2, 1. All right, 0, 4, x is equal to 0. So here is our origin. All right, 0, 4, x equals 0, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. So 0, 4 and 2, 1. 2, x equals 2, x equals 1, x equals 2, y is equal to 1. So that's 2, 1. Y is equal to mx plus b is a line. So all we have to do is know 2 points and join those 2 points and you have the line. This is our y-intercept. And this is our x-intercept. This is where the graph touched the x-axis. All right, we'll get to that in a minute. Now here comes what is the x-intercept. How do you solve for x-intercept? So you start with the equation of the line. And then what do? Whenever you're asked for x-intercepts, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. So here is our equation. Set y equal to 0. All right. So set y equal to 0. Leave everything as before. Negative 3 over 2x plus 4. There's only one unknown, that is x. All right. Multiply both left and right by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So what is 2 times 0 is 0. And then 2 times negative 3 over 2x plus 2 times 4. So you get 0 equals 2 and 2 cancels out. So you get negative 3x plus 8. It is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So subtract 8 from both sides. So you get negative 8 equals negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3 and we get x equals 8 over 3. And that is roughly 2.67. And now we have the x-intercept as well. All right. Now if you go back to our graph, if we did it right, then the point where the graph touched the x-axis should be 2.67. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is past 2.5, so this is 2.670. And this is George Mathew signing off. Good luck.